Why do federal policies conflict with state laws? Imagine a scenario where a state decides to implement a law that allows certain activities, but the federal government has a different stance on the same issue. This kind of disagreement is rooted in the fundamental structure of the United States government, which is built on a system of shared sovereignty between the national government and individual states. The United States Constitution establishes this division of powers, granting specific authorities to each level of government. The Constitution explicitly states that federal laws are the supreme law of the land. This means that when there is a direct conflict between federal legislation and state laws, federal laws generally take precedence. This principle is known as the Supremacy Clause, found in Article 6 of the Constitution. It ensures uniformity across the nation on certain critical issues, such as immigration, bankruptcy, and interstate commerce. However, states retain significant powers under the 10th Amendment, which reserves to the states all powers not delegated to the federal government. This allows states to pass laws addressing local concerns, social issues, and economic policies that may differ from federal regulations. For example, states have the authority to set their own minimum wages, regulate certain business practices, or establish policies related to health and safety. Conflicts often arise when federal policies attempt to regulate areas traditionally managed by states, or when federal laws are enacted without considering existing state laws. For instance, federal drug enforcement policies may conflict with state laws that have legalized certain substances for medical or recreational use. In such cases, federal authorities may choose to enforce federal laws over state laws, leading to legal and practical conflicts. Legal disputes over these conflicts are often settled in courts, with the judiciary examining whether federal laws preempt state laws in specific situations. Courts analyze whether federal legislation explicitly or implicitly intends to occupy the field, or whether state laws create obstacles to federal objectives. When conflicts are found, federal law generally overrides state law, but states can sometimes challenge federal actions if they believe their sovereignty is being infringed upon. In summary, conflicts between federal policies and state laws are a natural result of the division of powers established by the Constitution. While federal laws are designed to create a unified legal framework across the nation, states maintain the ability to govern local matters, leading to occasional disagreements that are resolved through legal processes and constitutional interpretation.